Hey, small business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your travel agency? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MightySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your travel agency. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with MightySites yet, so welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, travel agency. There it is over there. You also have the option to select the general service business template. Great, let's tell MightySites a few basic details about our travel agency so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your company name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MightySites service. We have happy users from literally all around the globe. Once you click that continue button, MightySites will instantly generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new MightySites website. The great thing about MightySites, what makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to a travel agency and selected some awesome images as well specific to a travel agency too. It doesn't matter which website template you select for which local business, it will automatically have images that are pre-selected and pre-written content. We just wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. However, everything can be customized, personalized. You can change the images and the content. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Remember, there's no coding involved at all with MightySites. You don't need to be super tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone as well. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. Check that box. Phone number is clicked to call, and physical location when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here, pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. To change the colors, just click on that paints icon, go through the various color palettes. There are so many to choose from. To update your logo, head on over to the section over here, update logo, head on over to the next. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil icon to edit it. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. Awesome. To change each section, make it a bit more personalized, just click on that handy button underneath it. Over here, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and pull in those images. Underneath update action, you can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, great way to maybe put in your packages for traveling, or link to another website. If you take maybe online bookings, for example, pop in the URL over there. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Here, your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries. If you happen to already purchase a custom domain, you absolutely can connect it. Just click on that button at the bottom. So I already have a domain. If you'd like to purchase a domain, you absolutely can do so via the MightySites platform as well. Just click on I want a new domain, which we really recommend to make your website look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. I really hope this short video overview was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your travel agency on the MightySites platform. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any questions about MightySites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. All the best.